Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Corsa Pro for free. Now once you head over to Corsa, the first thing you need to do is to sign up for an account, and you just need to go ahead and click and sign in the upper right hand side. And once you do, it will ask you to sign in with either your GitHub, your Apple, or your Google account, right? So I'm going to go ahead and use, for example, my Google account here, and I'm going to quickly sign in. Now, once you sign in, immediately you'll be shown the dashboard, right? You have the agent section, you also have the dashboard, and you'll see right here that you can get the Pro for 14 days free trial. So you can try it out for 14 days for absolutely free. All you need to do is to enter a valid credit card. You won't be charged, and I'm going to show you why. So once you click and start the 14 day, this is 2 full weeks of pro features of Cursor, guys. So you just need to go ahead and click and start the trial, and it's going to take you over to the page where you can go ahead and see the details here. So here it says you get 14 days for free, 2 full weeks, guys, and you will see what it's going to charge. So as you can see, it says that you can either be billed $16 per month, or you can pay for the year. It's really up to you, whichever option you choose, right? But in any case, guys, you see that you're getting it for free for 2 weeks. And as you can see, it says total due today, 0. All you have to do is go ahead and enter your card details, or your Alipay, or your Cash App Pay, or even link a US bank account. And guess what? You enter these details and you go ahead and you start your trial version. If for some reason you don't want to continue before the 2 weeks ends, then guess what? You have 13 days of free access to try this out. And guess what? You're getting 2 weeks practically to use this for free, because they know that this is a very useful platform, and you'll most likely, once you get started, you will find the benefits out of it, right? So they're giving you 2 full weeks to test this out. And so if you're looking for a way how to get it for free so that you can see what it is like, if you want to continue with the subscription or not, this is how you can get started by using Cursor Pro for free for 2 full weeks, guys. I recommend that. I highly recommend you take this opportunity and try it out, because I'm sure that you'll learn so much within 2 weeks, and you will be more than convinced within the 2 weeks time. So that's basically it, guys. Just go ahead and get started with your trial version, with your Cursor AI trial, and you can get it for free for 2 weeks. And that's it.